మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారం. మిత్రులారా, ఇక్కడ ఒక చిన్న స్టోరీ ఉంది. ఆ స్టోరీని నేను చదువుతాను, మీరు రిపీట్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో కేవలం ఇంగ్లీషు చదవడం రానటువంటి వాళ్ళకు మాత్రమే ఈ వీడియో, ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రతి పదాన్ని నేను చెప్తాను, మీరు రిపీట్ చేయండి. ఈ విధంగా రిపీట్ చేయడం వల్ల మీరు పదాలను నేర్చుకుంటారు. చూడండి. ద లయన్ అండ్ ద మౌస్. The lion and the mouse. Once upon a time. Once upon a time, in a thick forest. In a thick forest, a lion was sleeping under a tree. A lion was sleeping under a tree. A cheerful mouse came there and saw the lion. A cheerful mouse came there and saw the lion. The mouse climbed onto the body of the lion and started playing. The mouse climbed onto the body of the lion and started playing. He pulled the lion's whiskers. He pulled the lion's whiskers. Suddenly, the lion woke up and roared in anger. Suddenly, the lion woke up and roared in anger. He caught the mouse. He caught the mouse. The mouse trembled in fear. The mouse trembled in fear. It begged the lion to leave it. It begged the lion to leave it. The lion took pity on it and let it go. The lion took pity on it and let it go. The mouse thanked the lion. The mouse thanked the lion. It promised that it would help the lion in times of need. It promised that it would help the lion in times of need. The lion laughed at the mouse. The lion laughed at the mouse. One day, a hunter trapped the lion. One day, a hunter trapped the lion. The poor lion roared for help. The poor lion roared for help. The mouse heard the cries and came there. The mouse heard the cries and came there. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. It cut the net with its sharp teeth. The lion came out and they became good friends. The lion came out and they became good friends. ఇది చిన్న స్టోరీ. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే వీడియోను లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.